Hi students, welcome back to online class in mathematics. My name is Vishwanath. We are being in the recurring deposit account since last two classes, right? In my first class, I taught you about introduction to RD account and some other accounts and what is a bank, totally banking system, how it works in brief. And a few problems, simple problems from the same chapter, that is interest and the maturity value finding. In the second class from the same RD account chapter, monthly installment, that is P, and maturity value finding problems, and interest and maturity value finding problems we have seen. In today's class, I'm going to teach you rate of interest and number of months finding problems. So let us go for a few problems. Before going to few problems, let us have a glance on the two important formulae, that is from the RD chapter. So you have to be learn these two formulae whenever you open the RD account chapter. So let us see those two formulae. That is, first one is I is equal to, so when you are writing the formula, keep it in mind every symbol should be abbreviated. Okay, so that is I is equal to what? I is interest, P is monthly installment, into N number of months, don't say number of years, number of months, plus 1 into rate, all divided by 24 into 100. So this is the formula, first one. And the second important formula, that is M is equal to P into N plus I. So maturity value, monthly installment, number of months plus interest. So these two are very important formula. Example, a man opened a RD account. So in the question itself it is given RD account problem in a bank and deposited 800 per month. So he is depositing 800 per month, they said. So definitely it is P, 800 per month, definitely it is P. For 1.5 year, they said 1.5 year. So he is depositing 800 not for 1.5 years, he is depositing for 1.5 year, of course, but it is 18 months, right? In 1.5 years, 1 year 12 months and half year it is 6 months, totally in 1.5 year 18 months. So he is depositing 18 months the same 800 rupees every month. So what this 18 months called as? Number of months, N. He receives 15,084 at the time of maturity. He receives 15,084 at the time of maturity, they said. So it is maturity value. It is not interest. If in the question 15,084 as interest at the time of maturity like given, so we'll take that as interest, but here the given value is maturity value because in the sentence 15,084 at the time of maturity value. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. Rate of interest is question. So the problem is from RD account, 800 rupees per month, they said P, 1.5 year. So in 1.5 year, we are visiting the bank 18 months. So 18 months are N, 15,084 at the time of maturity value, they said. So it is maturity value, rate of interest, find out. So any problem we are attempting from the RD chapter, we go by both the formula. So first we go for first formula, that is P of N into N plus 1 into R all divided by 24 into 100. Use this formula first. Which are the values given? Let us substitute. What is I? I is interest. Anywhere interest is written? No. Write I only. P is monthly installment. So look at here 800. Next N is number of months. Number of months are 18 into N plus 1. What is N plus 1? 18 plus 1. It is 19. Into R. R is to be find out. R. Whole divided by 24 into 100. So 100 ones 100 eights are. Then 8 ones are 8 threes are. 3 ones are 3. 6 are. So nothing is there in the denominator. So therefore let us write which are left out. Here I, here 1, here 6, here 19 into R. So 6 19s are 114 into R. So So there is no further division possible. I is equal to 140. There are two unknowns are there. What to do with this problem? So don't worry. There are two unknown left out or three unknown left out. Whatever. Use the first formula. Then go for substitution. Right substitution. Then you are getting the answer or you are not getting the answer. You are getting two unknowns. Stop there only. Let us move on to the second formula, which is that MV is equal to P into N plus I. Maturity value P into N is what? Our credit. In 18 months, how much we are credited. Plus I is interest the banking is giving. Maturity value. What is maturity value? 15,084 already given in the question. P is 800 we are paying every month. Into how many months? 18 months. Plus I. I is also not given in the question, but from the first formula we got the answer. Look at I means I is equal to 114 R. Why can't we substitute in place of 114 R? Because I means 114 R. We have calculated from the first formula. 114 R I is equal to that. I wrote here I is equal to 114 R. Then 15,084 equals to 18 8s are 114 followed by 2 zeros plus 114 R. We shift this 15,004 into the left side. It becomes subtraction, not division. Keep it in mind. So this goes to the left hand side. It becomes division, not subtraction. Equals to 114 R. In 15,084, 14,400 subtracted. 4 as it is, 8 as it is. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 4, it's a 0. So finally we'll get 684 equals to 114 R. So 114 shifted this side. At last 614 by 114 equals to R. 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. Here 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 fours are. What is left out? 114 by 19 is left out is equal to R. 19 is a prime number, so divide from 19 table alli. 19 ones are 19 6 are. So therefore 6% we got. What is the value of R? R is 6%. So that bank is giving 6% per annum to that man as interest, rate of interest. So in this way, by using both the formula, look at first formula I used thoroughly. I got relation between I and R. I went to second formula. There also I substituted in right way and I obtained the right answer. So RD chapter is easy, student. I finding, MV finding, P finding, MV finding, I finding. Now rate of interest finding. So all have been completed. So this kind of problem I'll give you as homework. Before that, let us go for one more type of unknown finding, that is the number of months. Number of months finding we will see. How to find n. So this type of problems below average student will feel it will be difficult. So how to find out number of months finding? I finding, MV finding, rate of interest from the last problem also we have seen it's not difficult. But n finding will feel somehow difficult. But by practice we can make those problems also easy. I'll give you some tricks to solve this unknown finding of n. So let us follow that. Example from the n finding. N is number of months, right? Number of months finding problem will be little bit difficult. We'll use some tricks to make those problems also easy. The question is, a woman has a recurring deposit account. So from the question itself, it is the RD problem. Of 300 per month. So she is paying 300 per month. What is P? What is 300? That is P. So she is investing 300 every month. That is P per month. If the rate of interest is 12%, so 12% is given. What is that 12%? Rate of interest, or it's not interest, rate of interest. Rate of interest is R, only interest is I. And the maturity value of this account is 8,100. 8,100. What is this 8,100? Maturity value. They have given maturity value of this account is 800. sorry, 8100. Find the time of this account. Find the time of this account. So time is usually we take it in years only, but already we find out in months. So n is question. Find the time of this account means for how many months or how many years this account was held. By using this, we go for the first formula. What is that first formula? I is equal to p into n of n plus 1 into r whole divided by 24. Look at to solve any problem from the already chapter, I'm going in order, that is go for I formula, then followed by MV. What is I? I is interest. Anywhere interest is given in the question? No, as it is right. Then P is monthly installment, that is 300. Substitute in right place. What is N? N is number of months. So that is the question. If N is unknown, then N plus 1 also unknown, right? If N is 3, 3 plus 1 4 we can write. N is 10, 10 plus 1 11. But N is unknown, here also N plus 1 also unknown only. Into what is rate of interest? 12, it is given here. Whole divided by 24 into 100. So we cancel 100 and this 300. 3s are 3 1s are 3, 8s are 3 8s are 24, 4 2s are 4, 3s are. So which are left out at last? I is equal to, here n into n plus 1 left out, here 3 left out, even 2 is also there in denominator, remember. 2 also there in denominator. I is equal to n plus 1, 3 is there, even 2 is there in the denominator. 3 and 2 we can cancel, but we get decimal answer. Then we stop this here only. We go for, because further calculation not possible, there is no still cancellation left out. We go to second. MV is equal to P into N plus I. What is MV? Maturity value. Maturity value is already given 8100, right? What is P? 300 every month. How many months? That was the unknown. N plus I. What is I? Look at here, I already I got. I is equal to N of N plus 1 into 3 by 2. This N of N plus 1, you can make it still as N into N, N square, N into 1, N. Like this, N into N, N square, N into 1. Mono and binomial multiplication. N into N, N square, N into 1, N. Into 3 by 2. 3 and divided by 2. That you write here. What is the value of I? I is equal to N square plus N into 3 by 2. So once we get n square, remember, once we get n square, it become quadratic equation. So what I told already, n finding problem little bit difficult, because we are not getting here answer like P, I, MV finding type of problem. Here n square is there, no? So it become quadratic equation. Let us try to solve. 300 into n, 300n plus 3 into n square, 3n square plus 3 into n, 3n whole divided by 2. So we go for LCM on the LHS, not on the RHS. 1100, you take LCM, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 300, 600n plus 1 into 3n square plus 3n. This much we get. How to get LCM? 1 into 2, 2. 2 into, so this to multiply first, then this to multiply, then this to other cross multiplication. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 300, 600, 1 into anything, same. So by this way, LCM has been completed. Now 2 taken on the LHS. Before this 2 you cannot take here without LCM. Now 2 you can take here because old denominator. 2 into 800, that is 8100, 16,200 is equal to 600n plus, 600n plus 3n, both are like terms. Now 600n plus 3n, it is 603n, 603n plus 3n square. Now 3n square first write, then this 603n right, then 16,200 shift on the other sides, minus 16,200, it is equal to 0. So now it is quadratic equation. So it is in the form of ax square bx plus c. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Look at here, this is ax square, this is bx, it is c. Quadratic equation standard form. But here in all the three terms of the quadratic equation, 3 is common. Let us go for division of 3 from all, even on the LHS. So you divide all the 4 terms by 3. 0 by 3 0, 3n square by 3, only n square, 3 and is cancelled, 3 2s are 0s are 1s are plus 3 5s are 15, 12, 3 4s are 12, 2 zeros. So this is the final least form of the given quadratic equation. How to solve quadratic equation? The first and last you multiply. What you get? 5400 n square. How to split this 5400 n square such that we need 201 here? We need 201 here. So then how to? So for that we have some other tricks, that is, so for this kind of problem we may get 12 months answer or 24 months or 36 months. So usually from this 3 value only we'll get. So let us think about, for this problem 12 months are correct, 24 months are correct, or 36 months are correct. So how to get it? This 5400 you divide from 36. Let us try from 36. We'll divide. 36 ones are 36. So 14 we will get 18. 18 and next is 10. So we'll get 180. So 36 5s are how much? 36 5s are 30. 3 carry 18 will get. So 36 5s are will get 180. So it is cancelled. So one more 0 is there. What to do? That will shift to answer. Then 514, if you divide from 36 table, 36 ones are 36, we'll get 18 here, remainder, 36 5s are 180. So we got 150 and 36. So 150 and 36 we multiply, 150 and 36 we multiply. Again we get 5400, correct? 5400 will get 150 and 36 we multiply, but 150 and 36 combination will not give you 201. It will not get 201. So what to do now? We'll try from 24 months now. We'll try it from 24 months. What happens? We'll try it from 24. That 5400 you try from 24 now. 24 or 2s are 48, correct? No, then what is the remainder? 6, then 0 drop here. 24 2s are again 48. What is the remainder? 12, and drop the 0, 120. 24 5s are 120. Even 24 also cancelling. 36 also cancelling 5400. 24 also cancelling. Then which is correct here? If you cancel the 5400 from 36, 36 150s are 5400. 36 and 150 combination, 150 and 36 we had, we'll get 186. 150 and 36 we subtract, 150 and 36 we subtract, we'll get 114. But we want 201. 150 and 36 we added, 186 will get. We subtract 114, but we are not getting middle 201. So that's why that plan we dropped, and we went to divide the 5400 from 24. Because this kind of answer usually gives you in this 3 answer, either 12 months or 24 months and 36 months. So I tried 36 months, it's working, but the middle 201 it's not giving. 36 and 150, the divisor and quotient both added and subtracted, we are not getting 201. So I went to check for 24. Even 24 also dividing 5400 and 225 are. Now let us see this divisor and quotient. 224, 25 and 24, 225 and 24. So we'll add once and we'll subtract. If we add here 249 we are getting. If we subtract 201 we are getting. Look at here. That was the required. 200 and which combination gives you 201? So 24 and 225 combination gives you. So how to check? Once again I explain. 5400 and n square multiplied will get 5000 n square. Which are the two combination gives you 201. To check this 5400 and I divide from 36 table. I checked. If it is not dividing, cancel. If it is dividing, check the divisor and quotient once you add and once you subtract. In addition and subtraction, if 201 we are not getting, so we go for another checking, that is 24. Even this is also not working, go for 12 months. Okay, so in 24 I divided one of the combination in 24 we got by subtraction method. Then we write here n square. So how to get this 201? 225 minus 24n plus 5400. So 201 get by 225n minus 24n equals to 0. So we'll take common from this 2 in the other 2. N plus 225, n is shifted, and minus here also 24 is taken out common, n plus sorry here minus is there, minus, so n plus 225. Then so this two combination n minus 24, the bracket combinations are 225. Then n minus 24 is equal to 0. N plus 225 equals to 0. N minus 24 is equal to 0. N plus 225 equal to 0. Then n is equal to 24. Here n is equal to minus 225. Minus 225 not exist because number of months never be negative. So final answer is n is 24. Look at, so this account was held for 24 months. The answer is 24 months. If you want to write it in years, it is 2 years. So by this way, the n finding problems also solved. But you need to follow a few tricks what I followed here in right way to obtain the n values. So let us go for homework section. The first one I give you from rate of interest finding. A man has a recurring deposit account, so it is RD account in a bank, deposited 80 rupees per month. Understand, rupees 80 per month. Then what it will be? P, right? 80 rupee per month for 18 months. So it is maintained for 18 months. Directly given in months, so you don't convert. If it is given in years, you convert. Find the rate of interest. So rate of interest to be find out. If the maturity value of this account is 1554, 1554 is the maturity value. So I have not used the symbols here. You try to use the symbols. 80 rupee per month. What is 80 rupee per month? It is P. 18 months, number of months. N, rate of interest find out. 1554 maturity value. So this problem is from rate of interest finding. So we'll go to another problem, that is from number of months finding. A recurring deposit account. So already problem 1200 per month. 1200 per month. As a maturity value. So as a maturity value of 12,440. 12,440 is the maturity value. If the rate of interest is 8%. Find the time of this account. Find the time of this account. So find the time of this account means find the n value in months. Okay. 1200 per month, that is P. Maturity value also given. Rate of interest given. Time find out in months. So to find out this problem answer, The second problem I explained, oh, in that way you try. The first problem, rate of interest, also first problem already explained. So this kind of problem also one explained, and number of months finding also one problem explained. Use both the problems. First write both the problems answer notes and follow the same method to get the answers for these two problems. Hope you got this method. So will you try the homework problems? Did not you? Yes, I will try and try. Thank you.